Hey there, my name is Mr. Young, and I'd like to welcome you to Regents Chemistry Virtual Open House. This is the classroom and laboratory where your child is taking Regents Chemistry, and you can see that we are getting ready to do the lab for separating a mixture. And I am going to tell you a little bit about this class and then show you some demos if you make it to the end of the video. Thanks for checking in. I have a family. This is my wife, Erin. My son, Theo, is a senior in high school, and my son, Oscar, is a senior in college. So I know what you and your kids have been through in the past 18 to 20 months with the hybrid schooling and the lockdown and all the craziness. I'd like to help things get back to normal for your kids in school. One thing that I want to point out is 10th grade Regents Chemistry is usually a bit of a shock to my 10th graders because it's a little bit harder than the last science class they took. Last year, they probably took 9th grade biology or living environment. And in that class, the teacher taught them about cells. The teacher taught them about DNA. The teacher did activities to teach them about ecosystems and the human body. The teacher taught them how to use microscopes and do labs. The teacher did just about everything, and all the student had to do was come to class, and they would pass the course. This is a very easy class. Regents Chemistry is a little bit different. Students have to meet me halfway to be successful. This is not me being mean. This is just the course is a harder course. Okay, students, I will prepare labs for students, and I will show them demos, and I will help them to puzzle out chemistry thinking problems. I will use technology tools to help teach them in a variety of different ways, and students will take part actively in those labs. Students will have to sometimes independently think about chemistry and do some chemistry learning on their own. They will work together in groups to puzzle out chemistry thinking and ideas, and they will need to check their email and school tool and classroom and things like that pretty regularly to be successful in this class. They have to meet me halfway or they will not be successful. You will see your student regularly using their Chromebook and their unit pack. From their Chromebook in classroom, they could find notes that they missed in class or want to check again. They could find videos of other teachers explaining stuff if they don't think my explanation was very helpful to them. And they can find answer keys for all the practice problems that they will be doing. Practice homework is a really important part of this class. Checking your work with an answer key is a really important part of this class. So you will see them regularly using their Chromebook and unit pack to do chemistry homework. You can contact me by email. A couple important last-minute notes. Each student needs 1,200 lab minutes to be allowed to take the Regents exam. I will easily exceed that, but if students are here regularly, they should have no problem reaching the number of lab minutes they need. There are some required things in this course. Unit exams and CERs are required. A student can get an incomplete if these are not made up if they miss them. I will try to be very flexible. I will try to find a way to work with each and every student to help them succeed, especially if they can meet me halfway. And I know not everyone is going to become a chemist, but everyone likes a good explosion and can learn about the chemistry behind it. So hopefully they will enjoy this course somewhat as I work their brains and help them learn about chemistry and our universe. If you have any questions, please email me and you'll see regular emails from me with updates and important information. Okay, thanks for watching and have a good night.
Why? Oh, that's aluminum.
I'm looking.
Oh. No. Oh. Oh.
Oh!
Six, yay! One. Oh. So the rubber doesn't get hot enough to burn through. The water absorbs all the heat.
I feel like it's
Like 2% gone.
No, it's gentle.
Oh, that's...
Look at those marshmallows.
Oh my god.
We kind of wrecked their structural integrity. There you go. Oh, it's really spinning.